A police boat carrying specialist response officers was involved in a crash near the famous Westminster Bridge in London, attracting public attention and raising questions about what happened during the incident. The event took place on the River Thames, one of the busiest waterways in the United Kingdom, where emergency and police vessels regularly operate. According to reports, the police boat was carrying members of the Armed Response Unit when the incident occurred. These officers are especially trained to respond quickly to serious situations and emergencies. At the time of the crash, the team was traveling as part of their operational duties. The boat collision happened close to Westminster Bridge, an iconic location in central London, near important government buildings and tourist areas. Witnesses in the area reported seeing emergency activity on the river as authorities responded to the situation. After the crash, emergency teams moved quickly to assess the condition of those involved and secure the area. Police officials began reviewing the circumstances surrounding the incident, including the movement of the boat, river conditions, and any other factors that may have contributed to the crash. The River Thames has a complex environment, with passenger boats, police vessels, sightseeing cruises, and other water traffic operating throughout the day. Because of this, safety procedures and careful navigations are extremely important for all crews working on the river. The police force has not suggested that the incident was linked to any wider public danger. The focus remains on understanding exactly how the crash happened and ensuring that safety measures are followed in future operations. Specialist police units often travel by different methods depending on the situation. Boats can provide a fast way to move officers along the river, especially in central London where roads can become heavily crowded. However, operating any vessel in the busy waterway requires skill, coordination, and constant attention. Following the crash, authorities continued their investigation and worked to gather information about the incident. This may include checking communication records, reviewing operational procedures, and examining the condition of the boats involved. Incidents involving emergency vehicles often attract public attention and interest because these teams are responsible for protecting communities and responding during important situations. Many people expressed concern after hearing about the crash and wanted to know whether the officers involved were safe. Westminster Bridge is one of London's most recognized landmarks, connecting areas near the Houses of Parliament and the London Eye. An incident in this area quickly became noticeable because of the large number of residents, workers, and visitors nearby. At this stage, officials are focused on learning about the incident and making sure that emergency operations on the River Thames continue safely. Investigations into accidents involving police equipment are usually carried out carefully to understand what happened and whether any improvements are needed. In my opinion, emergency teams play an important role in keeping people safe, and incidents like this show how challenging these work are. A proper investigation is important so that lessons can be learned and future operations can become even safer.